Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen time issues after iOS 26 update. If you're using any iPhone and your screen time is not working after iOS 26 update, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So first of all, you have to make sure that your internet is connected. So once you have checked, open your settings, then go for general and here go for software update, and you have to make sure that you have completely updated your software. Once you have checked, you have to go to your screen time settings here, and here if your screen time is not working, so let's see how can you fix that issue. So basically your screen time is disabled or turned off, so let's see how can you easily turn it off. You have to select this app and website activity, select that option, then select turn on app and website activity. Once you have turned on, your screen time will be enabled and you can easily get your screen time here. Or if this method doesn't work for you, so what you have to do, you have to go for your general, then scroll down and go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, and once you have resetted all settings, here you have to enter your passcode and your all setting will be resetted. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this step. Or if this method doesn't work for you, so what you have to do, you have to open your browser and simply search for support.apple.com. And here you have to select your device. It might be your iPhone or iPad. I'm going to select my iPhone from here. Then scroll down and look for the option of Get Support. Once you get the option of Get Support, tap on the Start Now option. And here you just have to look for screen time. So tap on this More option. Then scroll down until you find screen time here. And once you get the screen time, you have to select that option. Then tap on Continue. And here you have to tap on Get More Help. Then tap on Call Us. And here you will get a number. Now, when you want to call with Apple support team, you can easily dial the number. Once you have dialed the number, you will contact your Apple support team. You have to enter and dial the number between this time. And once you have dialed, you have to tell your issues to Apple support team member, and you will get the official help from there. So in this way, you can easily fix the screen time issues after iOS 26 update. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.